Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look, and basically it is a festive and a wedding look, guys. So you can create this makeup look in any occasion, but I have created this makeup look for Eid. So if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel, guys. It's mean a lot. And guys, also you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. So let's get started this video, guys. Hey guys, so I have already moisturized my face using a moisturizer. Next, for the primer, here I am using Swiss Beauty Real Base Makeup Primer. This is in the shade 02, and for applying this I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Kabuki brush. And guys, this primer is very hydrating and illuminating, so if you have a dry skin, then you can definitely try this one, guys. So guys, starting with the eye makeup, first I'm going to fill my eyebrow using this Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade 03 medium brown. And guys, first I'm going to comb my eyebrow, and next fill using this eyebrow pencil. So guys, this is a perfect brown shade for my eyebrow. So guys, just because it is a Eid makeup look, so I want my eyebrow more fuller and thicker, so I'm going to use this palette, guys, and using this gray shade I'm going to fill my eyebrow more, so it look more fuller and thicker. So guys, next for concealing my eyelid, I'm going to use this Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand, and guys, this is a perfect highlighting concealer for my skin tone. Guys, after cleaning my eyebrow, next for blending, here I'm using this Cuffs and Lashes concealer brush, and guys, it is very dense and it is good for blending your concealer. Next, for setting my eyelid, I'm going to use this Faces Canada Compact, guys. This is in the shade Natural, and using a fluffy brush I'm going to set my eyelid. So guys, now starting with the eye makeup, here I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, guys, and first I'm going to pick this matte burgundy shade, guys, and using a fluffy brush I'm going to spread it all over my eyelid for making a burgundy base. So guys, this eyeshadow palette is very pigmented and also it doesn't have fallout, so I am highly recommend for this eyeshadow palette, guys, and as you can see how pigmented it is. So guys, after creating my base, and next for drawing a cut crease, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer, guys. This is in the shade 02 Sand, and next I'm going to use a flat brush. This is from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to draw a cut crease. So guys, as you can see how easily I have created a cut crease using this flat shader brush, and guys, this brush quality is really nice, so you can definitely try this one. And guys, for the cut crease, here I am using this shade, and this palette is very pigmented, and this foil shade are also very beautiful and pigmented also, and I just love this palette, guys. Guys, I'm going to pick this burgundy shade using a small brush, and I'm going to apply in my outer corner so there will be no harsh line. And next I'm going to apply this kajal as an eyeliner. So whenever you want a smoky effect, then you can apply a kajal as an eyeliner, so it look really nice. After applying my eyeliner, guys, I'm going to tightline my upper lash liner so that my eye look more open up. And guys, just because it is a festive look, so I want my eyeliner more long lasting, so I'm going to use a black shade, and I'm going to smudge my eyeliner using this, so that guys my eyeliner become more long lasting and smudge proof. So guys, after applying my false lashes, my look is turned out like this. Next, for foundation, here I'm using Lakme 925 foundation. This is in the shade Warm Natural. And for blending, here I'm using this beauty blender, guys. So as you can see, it finishes so beautiful, guys. And this foundation is medium to full coverage foundation, and also guys, it gives me a semi matte finish, so I'll just love this finish, guys. Next, guys, for concealing and highlighting my face, here I'm using this Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand, and guys, also I'm going to apply this as in my usual area. And for blending, here I'm using this beauty blender. So as you can see how quickly it blends, guys, and I love this concealer. So guys, setting my face using this loose powder. This is from Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade Banana. So first I'm going to set my under eye and all over my face. So just because it is in banana powder, so it is instantly brighten up my face. Next, guys, I'm going to dust off the excess powder. using this Swiss Beauty fluffy brush. So guys, for my lower waterline I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetic Kohl, and this is in the shade green. And guys, this is very creamy and smooth kajal, so its application is very easy. Next guys, for blending and smudging this kajal, I'm going to use a burgundy shade, and using this small brush I'm going to blend it, so it will make my kajal smudge proof and long lasting. So guys, for mascara, here I'm using Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and this is the non-waterproof variant, and I'm going to coat it my lower lash line. Next guys, for contouring my face, here I'm using Sugar Mini Bronzer Kit guys, and this is very smooth and nice texture bronzer kit guys. You can definitely try this one if you want to go an affordable side bronzer, then you can definitely try this one. First guys, I'm going to apply in my hollow of my cheeks, and next contour my jawline, and also I'm going to apply in my forehead. So guys, if you are a beginner and you are searching for a good quality bronzer or slash contour powder, then you can definitely try this mini bronzer kit from Sugar. And guys, this formula is really nice and also long lasting. So guys, next for blush, here I'm using this Stay Quirky blush. This is in the shade Peach Lady, and this is very pigmented and the matte blush guys, and also this is very affordable blush. If you are a beginner, then you can definitely try this one guys. And I'm just applying with the light handed. And guys, also I'm going to apply this blush on my nose and chin also, so it make my look so fuller and so nice. So guys, it is a festive look and I have to highlight my face, and this is my most favorite part, using my most favorite highlighter guys. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm going to highlight my as usual area like cheekbone, forehead, nose, and also guys, I'm going to apply in my cupid bow, so it look really nice. And also I'm going to highlight my inner corner, so it makes my eye so good and open up. So I'm going to highlight my inner corner, and also guys, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. For the lipstick, here I'm using this L'Oreal lipstick. This is in the shade Eye Juice, and first I'm going to line my lips using this lip liner. And guys, next I'm going to fill my lip using the L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Eye Juice. So guys, this formula range has very thin formulated, and also it is very long lasting. If you are going for a long function or a party, then you have to apply a liquid lipstick which stay in your lips for a long time. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel guys. Take care guys, bye bye.